friends, in this video I am going to remove all the code of Flutter for web and I am going to write the code from the scratch. So in this video I have only set up this font and everything is new. I have not modified anything. I have not added any package or anything. I had only added font. So in the previous video I had shown you that how you can add the font. So Flutter web is completely same as the Flutter mobile, and the code which is valid in Flutter mobile, most of the code are valid in the Flutter web. Because I haven't tried all the code, so I cannot guarantee you that all the code will be valid, but most of the code are valid because I have seen lots of people converting their Flutter mobile application into Flutter web application. So you can see that this code is completely valid in Flutter mobile also, because we are calling this material app, run app, all the things are completely valid in Flutter mobile. So let's call the set the home page, or you can say the index page. In the case of web application, it is called as or referred as index page, but in the mobile application it is home page. So this is our index page. So whenever we will open our web application, it will be get called. So let's import the file of homepage.dot. So this is relative path, so I don't like this relative path, I like absolute path. So now this one is fine. So let's create this homepage widget. So for that, first we need to create not create, we need to import this material. So let's create this stateful homepage widget. The reason is that we are going to create a counter application, and in the counter application, whenever we click on the plus button, it just increase the number. So if I refresh the page now, I can see a debug banner. You can see the debug banner. So our code is valid till now and the code is running. So let's create a app bar and put some text. So the text is going to be my name, which is Nitish, and Nitish Kumar and Singh. Yeah, Nitish Kumar Singh. So this is my name. Yeah, so you can see that the app bar has been created, and we have not wrote anything for that except this app bar. Everything is inside this Flutter framework for that. So let's in the center we are just going to put a text, and whenever we will click on the fab button, it will increase the number. So the fab button is available in this web also. So you push 5 times, 6 times, or if that will be 0 to 0 time, or 1 to 1 time. So 0 time and else times. So it should be less than 2, because in the case of 1 and in the case of 0 it will be time, and in the other cases it will be times. So let's define this count. Yeah, so everything is fine till now. So I am going to make the font little bigger, because it will be very small font for the web. So I'm just going to make it as a H1. So basically H1 is not available here, so I need to do one thing, that is make it heading 1, or I think display 1. Display in 1 is equivalent to the H1. Body 1, let's see the body 1 size. It is very much small. Let's make it display 1. So this is H1. So let's make this floating action button, and the button consists of a child, which is icon, and listener. So whenever we will press on that, what should be done? So I want that it should just change the state and increase the number. So let's change the state and count plus plus, it will increase the number. So let's refresh this. You can see that the font has been changed, and when we click on the plus button, it is increasing the number. So this is how Flutter Web works. You got the idea that how you can create this Flutter for Web counter application, and I need not to teach you that how you can create this counter application, because that is basically Flutter application. I just need to make you understand that how that is similar to that and how you can run that.